How to share NGL link in Snapchat without any hassle. Hello everybody, if you guys would like to do so, you may follow up these steps. So head over and open up the NGL application first and log in. And once you log in, you can select Snapchat as a method and you should be finding this interface with a link available on your screen. Now you may basically look out for this option called copy link and tap on it and copy the link on your device, clipboard. And once it is copied, you may close the application and head over to Snapchat and open it up on your device. And then after you open up Snapchat, you can head over and click up a snap at the moment. And once you click a snap, you should be finding this particular interface. So what you can do is basically from your right hand side, from the given options, look out for the clip option right under eraser, tap on it. And when you tap on it, you can basically paste the link that you copied earlier and then basically go ahead and tap on allow. And it will show you the link. Tap on the link and go ahead and tap on attach to snap. And once you do so, the link will be attached. Now you can just go ahead and tap on send to and head over and send it over to your friends that you would like to send it to. After that, hit send and that's it. So therefore, you may also follow up the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.